Want to start earning staking rewards? Here's an easy walkthrough to get you started. Note: you may only stake an asset that you already own on our platform. If you don't own the asset you wish to stake, you can click the Buy button within your account to make a purchase. Once signed into your iTrustCapital account, locate the asset you wish to stake from your account dashboard. Next, select the Stake button. Enter the amount you'd like to stake based on the number of tokens currently available in your portfolio. Now take a moment to review the information to ensure all details are correct, and then check the box to agree to the terms of service. When finished, click the green button below to stake your asset. Assets officially start staking on the next business day. To unstake your asset, navigate to the Asset Details page and click the Unstake button. Next, use the drop-down menu to select the amount you'd like to unstake. These options should match the daily amount you have already staked. Next, review the transaction details carefully to ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, check the box to agree to the terms of service and click the green button to proceed. Your assets and any rewards will remain unavailable until the unstaking period is complete. There you have it. Need more assistance? You can contact our client experience team by submitting a support request or calling us directly via the link and number in the description below.